Hi everyone, my name is Zikshita and I'm back with another video, and this time it's going to be Meesho home decor haul under 500 rupees. So I hope you're excited. Let's get into the video. Okay, so the first thing we have is this pink vase or vase, whatever you want to call it. I got this one for 159 rupees, and I think it's a totally steely because it is literally so Pinteresty. You can see it also has this detailing, and the quality of this vase is also very good. And if you're someone who wants like cute decor and don't want to spend more money, so I think this is a pretty good investment. And it is also very Pinteresty. You will literally find so many dupe of this. No, this is the dupe, but the original ones are pretty expensive for like 1500 and all. So I think it's a pretty good deal for 159. Go for it. And with that, I ordered this artificial flowers. So to go with this, and these flowers are also for 229 rupees. This is more expensive than this, but look how cute this looks. Yeah. So yeah, if this is your vibe and you like and these artificial flowers are also of very good quality, and the dirt does not sit on it, so yeah, it's a good quality. So the next thing we have is this wooden platter. Now just look at this platter. It has this boho detailing, and I think it's very cute. It will be very handy if relatives or anyone comes to your house, so then you can put your like uh glasses and all and serve water. The design is also very cute on this platter, and it can hold up to like 6 to 7 glasses. So yeah, it is very spacious. Like there is space. You can also you can also decorate in your own ways. You can make the charcuterie board or like snacks and anything. It's all totally up to you, but yeah, it's pretty good and sturdy. The material is also good. No complaints. Just go for it. It is a good investment. So the next thing we have are these glasses. Now I got this one for like 278 rupees, and it comes with 6 pieces, so you get 6 for 256. The quality of these glasses are also very good. They're very sturdy, so yeah, you can keep this near a side table or anything. I don't know what else to say about glasses, but these are very good quality and also affordable, so just go for it. So the next thing we have is this glass jug. Let me tell you, the quality of this jug is very good. It is not very heavy, and also it comes with this rubber thing, so it is very airtight. Um, and it has this thing, so then you can tip it here, so the water will spill from only here and nothing will leak. So it is very protective also. You can use this when someone visits your place to serve them water. Also, you can keep it on your side table. You can keep your detox water, anything, because it is airtight. So I don't think you'll have any problem, and it's not too heavy. That is the good point, but it is of good quality. So yeah, go for it. And this one is for like 486 rupees. I think I didn't mention that. Next thing we have are this drawer organizer, and let me tell you, these have been very useful. I got this one for like 340 rupees, and I have received 10 pieces of this. So 6 of this one, the small ones, 3 of these ones, they're twice the size of the small one, and one of this. Let me first start with the quality of this organizers. The quality is very amazing. These boxes are very sturdy. They are of plastic, so yeah, keep that in mind. But other than that, they are very useful. Like the if you're someone who hoards makeup, like you have many makeup, then I think it will be very useful for you, because you can keep your lipsticks in this, mascaras in this, like blush and all. And then this little, see, it is all customizable. You can use this anywhere. I just use it in my drawer. So you get six of this, and they are very like spacious also. You can keep many things. So you can keep your watches, your bracelets, anything like that, your chains and all. So these are very good for that. And you're getting all this for like 340 rupees, so I think it's a total steal. Just go for it. The quality is good, it is also affordable, and you can customize it to yourself, whatever you can keep. But if you're looking for something like this, then I think this is a good option. And the next thing we have is this jewelry organizer. I got this one for 313 rupees, and just look how pretty it is. I think you must have seen this kind of drawer organizer on Pinterest. So the quality is also really amazing. Uh, it has a very cushiony texture, so it's very soft. And I have been using this for like 3 or 4 months, and uh, it has not given any problem. So it has two sections. So this part is for the ring one, and this for like earrings or your chains, anything you can keep. So yeah, and it also comes with this lock, and you can see everything. So yeah, it is very Pinteresty. So if you want something like that, then I think you'll really love it. And this is also very affordable. So yeah. So the next thing we have are these candles. So I don't remember the price of this, but I know it's under 500 rupees. It comes with different sizes, the same shape, cylindrical. But if you have some lamp or something under that, you can put this candle. So yeah, these are good ones. It comes with different sizes, so it is pretty customizable. The next thing we have are these meditating Buddhas. So if you have like a space or something, so if you think it is very empty or it's feeling empty, so I think you should include such pieces on your, like if you have a table, something like that. So then this little pieces comes very handy. So then you can fill these empty places with this one. So the quality of this is also very good. So the next thing we have is this metal planter. So we have actually used this one, but it comes with this holding thing, and the the metal part is also very good quality. So yeah, and if you have plants like this, I think it will be a great addition to your space. So just go for it. So the next thing we have are these cylindrical vase. So as you can see, we have already used this one. I got the two pieces for 276 rupees, and the quality of these vases are very good. We actually have so many plants, so then we need different types of vases. So we have added like this one we have many vases. So this one is also pretty good. You can also add like fake plants if you're not someone who wants real plants, or like, I think you get the gist. So yeah, then these are pretty good. The quality of this one, these are also like good side table edition. So then you can keep something like this, pretty good quality. So this brings us to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please let me know if you like something from this haul, or if you bought anything. uh, Everything I have mentioned in this video will be linked in my description. Everything that I have mentioned in this video are of very good quality and affordable. So keep an eye on them, and whenever they are in stock, just buy. And if you have any suggestions, I would love to know. And if there's something you want me to review, I would also love to do that. So yeah, let me know. Thank you for watching. Bye. And also please subscribe.